Hello everybody, this is an EAS has been issued / SPC Los Angeles 6847 here along with
Southern Nevada EAS 79.
Clay Ranger 143.
And EAS Southtown.
Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing the Radioshack 12-2521. Alright, do any of you guys have this radio? I don't think so. Clay, you have the older version, right?
I have the 262, which is the older version, but I don't have the 521.
Oh, okay.
I have something sort of like a Radioshack, but
Yeah, I've seen it. It has the same siren.
yeah.
And the same sounds.
Same sounds. Yep. Okay, so we're going
Scarier,
to
though.
go ahead and unbox this. And yeah.
Hey, I don't really remember, but Clay,
What?
does the 12-262 do a land test?
Yes.
Okay.
I guess the 521 maybe does or doesn't.
It does do alert test, but it doesn't do it continuously like the 262 does, because on the 262, when you're on the main screen, you just have to press the up and down arrows, and it does it continuously for 7 seconds, and then stops. Whereas on the 521, it's kind of like the 12-519, where it does it for like 1 second, and then stops when you adjust the alert volume. So it's kind of like the 519's alert test.
Yep. All right, so here we have the owner's manual right here. It's English and Spanish. All right, right here we have the AC adapter right here.
Or as SoCal would call it, the AC/DC.
AC/DC adapter. Yep.
I'm on a highway to hell.
All right, and here we have the radio itself. Take this off. I push every buttons.
All its glory.
All right, that's it. I take the label off. It has the Hurricane label.
Noise.
Nice. All right, there we go. The label's off. And now this radio needs 6 AA batteries. So, all right, we're gonna lift this thing up, the screen, just like that. All right, probably put this packaging on first. All right, 6 AA batteries, I believe. Yep.
God. Why 6?
I don't know.
Oh,
That's what I think too.
It's pretty good.
All right, I got 3 in.
Hey, Angelo.
Yes.
I'm hearing the wind outside my house right now.
All right, lamp
I
test.
just love that distant sound for the wind. It's very soothing.
Oh, it's been breathing out his mic.
Oh, rip, the batteries came out. Alright, we're gonna put them back in.
Right now.
Alright, there we go. Searching for channels.
Oh, we'll rip my papers.
Alright. Channel 7 available. Alright, there we go. We're gonna put this.
You're thinking to yourself, how can I beat my meat in peace?
Alright, alright, I just fixed the problem.
Boy, keep it G.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, we're gonna move the. Alright, that's loud. I better adjust the volume.
Lows in the lower to mid 30s. Wet winds.
Yeah, mine did not adjust the volume for crap.
Alright, there we go. Menu. Select channel. I'll set it for manual. Oh, is this not working? Alert mode. Oh, signal lost. Rip.
Okay.
Kevin, for the love of God, turn off the signal reminder.
I know. I'm gonna do that right now.
Is it really that annoying?
I'll show you. I'll show you right now.
No, we don't need. Oh boy. Jesus.
I'm not gonna do it. It's just a really high.
Alright, there we go. Signal reminder.
Like,
A higher beep than a smoke alarm?
yes.
The higher beat than my Honeywell.
Yes.
And the relative humidity
It's like if I
50%.
took the 1050 hertz tone and put it up 2 octaves.
Okay, so how many hertz is it?
I don't know.
Alright.
You have to take a guess.
So 1,000
Alert.
to
Alert type. Voice. Alert reminder.
200 hertz.
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright, there. Signal reminder.
Lord.
There we go.
Yeah,
Same code. All. Set alerts. I'll do that later. Set language. English, obviously. Alert volume day.
That one sounds like the Radioshack 12-262.
I know.
That's because the 12-521 is the newer version of the 262. You just now realized
Is
that?
it like bigger though? Instead of walkie-talkie.
These are my dogs that are barking. My backlight. I'm not gonna mess with that. And that is it.
At Santa Monica Bay buoy, wave height 3 feet at 14 seconds.
Alright, so that's it for the setup. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.